Hey guys, welcome to my solo backyard party. It's fine. The weather's heating up, which means summer is just around the corner. And you know what that means. Barbecues, outdoor parties, America. The thing I love about summer is being outdoors with friends, family, yard games, all those fun things. But you know what can make summer even better? An outdoor kitchen, right? Yeah. First thing to think about, countertops. Now they've chosen quartz in this kitchen. While it is beautiful and it is a durable stone, if it's exposed to a lot of elements like rain and sun, it is prone to fading and discoloration. Now this outdoor kitchen is covered, so quartz is an okay option. But if you're gonna be more exposed to the outdoors, you might consider doing a granite or a tile. If you choose a granite, make sure it's not a dark granite because that will just absorb heat and that's just gonna burn your hands and then you're gonna have like 5th, 6th, 7th degree burns because that's a thing. You just die after that. Next, storage. Consider what you want to keep outside and create a space for it. Lastly, think about adding a sink. Now this is the uberness of all convenience. It is great to have out here so you don't have to keep running back and forth inside if you need to wash your dishes, if you need to wash your hands when handling any type of food. It would even be great to put ice in there to keep your beverages cold. Or you can just put a fridge. I mean, that works too. It's real fancy. So with an outdoor space like this, you will want to spend every minute outdoors this summer. I know I'm going to spend every minute I can as long as they don't see me out in this kitchen. We'll see what happens. Of course, you don't have to have all the niceties that this kitchen has to create a space that you will love. So let us help you create the space that you can enjoy with all your friends and family this summer. That's all for this week. Please leave any questions or comments in the section below. We hope you have a wonderful week and a very happy Memorial Day.
Memorial Day isn't this week, it's in like 2 weeks, actually.
Oh. Is it Easter?
No, that was like 3 weeks ago.
Happy Memorial Day!
Close enough.
We'll do it live!